iBoysoft MagicMenu is a lightweight yet powerful tool that enhances the right-click menu on Mac, bringing Windows-style functionality to macOS. It adds useful features like Create New File, Copy To, Move To, Quick Access, and a wide selection of customizable extensions. This guide will walk you through how to install and use the app, as well as highlight its key features and how to resolve common issues. Open the App Store and search for iBoysoft MagicMenu. Click Get to download and install it. Once installed, launch the app. The main interface lets you customize your right-click menu based on your preferences. To use its features, simply right-click as usual on your trackpad or mouse. Before the app can function properly, you will need to grant it the required permissions. In the app, click the three buttons to allow full disk access, accessibility permission, and automation permission. Then follow the on-screen instructions. On the desktop or in Finder, right-click and select New File. You can choose from a wide variety of file formats to create. If the format you need isn't listed, open iBoysoft MagicMenu, go to the New File section, and click the plus button to manually add the file type or import an existing file. It will then appear in the New File submenu of your right-click menu. Right-click any file or folder on your Mac to access the Copy To or Move To options. Copy To creates a duplicate of the selected item and places it in another location, like a traditional copy-paste. Move To transfers the file without keeping a copy in the original spot, similar to cut-paste. The app displays default folder locations, but you can customize them by opening the main interface, navigating to the Copy Move To section, and using the plus or minus buttons to add or remove folders. You can also set up quick access shortcuts for frequently used files, folders, drives, apps, or websites. Just right-click from your desktop or within Finder and select from your quick access list. For example, you can add your work folder so you can open it instantly with a right-click instead of searching through Finder. You can manage these shortcuts within the app. iBoysoft MagicMenu goes far beyond basic features. Under the Extensions section, you'll find dozens of tools you can add to your right-click menu. For instance, if you want to use AirDrop, just click the download button next to it, and it will automatically appear in your menu. If you decide you no longer need an extension, open the app, select it, click the three-dot menu on the right, and choose Uninstall. The menu editor lets you fully personalize your right-click menu. You can add, remove, rearrange, and group functions to suit your workflow. Whether you want a cleaner menu or one packed with shortcuts, the menu editor makes it easy to tailor everything to your needs. If the new features don't appear after installation, especially in iCloud Drive folders, go to Settings and make sure you've granted accessibility permission and automation permission. These are essential for the app to function fully. Keep in mind that some functions only work on files and folders. If you right-click on the desktop or a drive without selecting a specific item, those features may not appear. Thanks for watching this video and using iBoysoft MagicMenu.